Animal tissue. 1. Cells of the epithelial tissue rest on a basement membrane which is made up of A. Monosaccharides, B. Mucopolysaccharides, C. Disaccharides, D. Lipids. 2. The word epithelium was coined by A. Malpighi, B. Ruisch, C. Bichat, D. Ehrlich. 3. The filaments arising from desmosomes are called A. Tonofibril, B. Tonoplast, C. Reticulin, D. Tubulin. 4. The ducts of mammary gland are lined by A. Stratified squamous epithelium, B. Stratified cuboidal epithelium, C. Transitional epithelium, D. Pseudostratified epithelium. 5. Reproductive cells, germinal epithelium, are made up of which of the following epithelial tissue? A. Cuboidal, B. Columnar, C. Squamous, D. Sensory. 6. The type of epithelial tissues present in bronchi and trachea is A. Simple squamous epithelium, B. Simple columnar epithelium, C. Pseudostratified ciliated epithelium, D. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. 7. Epithelium forms the A. Internal hard structural framework, B. Highly specialized tissue that contracts or shortens to produce movement, C. Lining, covering, and glandular tissue of the body, D. Immune cells. 8. Which of the following is a function of epithelial tissue? A. Protection, B. Absorption, C. Secretion, D. All the above. 9. Tessellated cells are A. Squamous, B. Cuboidal, C. Columnar, D. Pseudostratified. 10. Brush-bordered cells of PCT of nephron are A. Squamous, B. Cuboidal, C. Columnar, D. Pseudostratified. 11. Name the epithelial tissue present in lower part of soft palate. A. Simple cuboidal, B. Simple squamous, C. Stratified columnar, D. Stratified squamous. 12. Name the epithelial tissue present in horn of a sheep. A. Stratified chitinized cuboidal, B. Stratified keratinized cuboidal, C. Stratified chitinized columnar, D. Stratified keratinized squamous. 13. Cells of this tissue stretch or flatten upon circumstances. Example of this is the tissue found in the bladder. A. Transitional, B. Stratified squamous, C. Stratified columnar, C. Pseudostratified columnar. 14. The epidermis of the skin is A. Simple squamous keratinized, B. Stratified squamous keratinized, C. Simple squamous non-keratinized, D. Stratified squamous non-keratinized. 15. Goblet cells secrete A. Oil and wax, B. Sweat and sebum, C. Mucus, D. Acid. 16. These structures aid with some flowing movement above the epithelial tissue surface in some structures of humans. A. Flagella, B. Microvilli, C. Stereocilia, D. Cilia. 17. These structures are present in sensory epithelium of human ear. A. Flagella, B. Microvilli, C. Stereocilia, D. All of these. 18. Epithelial tissue is A. Vascular and innervated, B. Avascular and non-innervated, C. Avascular and innervated, D. Avascular and non-innervated. 19. This type of epithelium absorbs nutrients in the digestive tract. A. Columnar with microvilli, B. Cuboidal, C. Simple squamous, D. Pseudostratified. 20. This type of epithelium is used in places where simple diffusion needs to occur. A. Simple cuboidal, B. Simple columnar, C. Simple squamous, D. Stratified squamous. 21. Type of epithelium found in conjunctiva of eye is A. Stratified cuboidal columnar, B. Pseudostratified, C. Stratified squamous, D. Transitional. 22. Epithelial tissue originates from A. Ectoderm, B. Endoderm, C. Mesoderm, D. All of these. 23. Study of tissue is A. Cytology, B. Etiology, C. Histology, D. Ichthyology. 24. Pseudostratified epithelium is present in A. Nephron and neuron, B. Larynx and pharynx, C. Trachea and bronchi, D. Urinary bladder and intestine. 25. Stratified squamous epithelium found in A. Palatine and lingual tonsil, B. Peyer's patch, C. Appendix, D. Spleen. 26. Crypts of Lieber-Kuhn are A. Simple tubular, B. Simple coiled tubular, C. Branch tubular, D. Compound tubular. 27. adjacent epithelial cells are helped together by A. Liposomes, B. Glyoxysomes, C. Demosomes, D. Microsomes. 28. Characteristic of epithelial tissues is A. They never produce gland, B. Cells can undergo rapid division, C. Abundant vascularization, D. Large intercellular spaces. 29. Vertebrate salivary glands are A. Apocrine, B. Holocrine, C. Eccrine, D. Endocrine. 30. Compound tubulo-alveolar gland is A. Parotid gland, B. Brunner's gland, C. Submandibular gland, D. Oil gland. 31. Find the correct statement. A. Moist surface of the buccal cavity has glandular epithelium. B. Tubular parts of nephrons have cuboidal epithelium. C. Inner surface of bronchioles have squamous epithelium. D. Inner lining of salivary duct has ciliated epithelium. 32. The ciliated epithelium is present in A. Bronchioles and fallopian tube, B. Bile, duct, and esophagus, C. Fallopian tube and urethra, D. Eustachian tube and stomach lining. 33. Which types of cells line blood capillaries? A. Columnar epithelium, B. Smooth muscle tissue, C. Connective tissue, D. Squamous epithelium. 34. Gap, tight, and adhering junctions are found in A. Epithelial tissue, B. Connective tissue, C. Muscular tissue, D. Neural tissue. 35. Which types of epithelial cells form stratum germinativum? A. Cuboidal, columnar, B. Ciliated, C. Transitional, pseudostratified, D. Squamous. 36. An epithelial tissue having thin, flat, and closely packed cells that are arranged edge to edge and flattened in shape are found in A. The inner lining of cheeks, B. The inner lining of the stomach, C. The inner lining of the fallopian tube, D. The outer surface of the ovary. 37. Which of the following layer has the most actively dividing cells? A. Stratum lucidum, B. Stratum corneum, C. Stratum compactum, D. Stratum basale, germinativum. 38. Tissue having very less or no intercellular matrix is A. Epithelial, B. Connective, C. Cardiac, D. Muscular. 39. The inner lining of the oesophagus, vagina, urethra is made up of A. Columnar epithelium, B. Stratified squamous epithelium, C. Transitional epithelium, D. Ciliated epithelium. 40. Simple cuboidal epithelium is found in A. DCT of nephron, B. Choroid of IC, secretory part of sweat gland, D. All of the above. 41. Brush border epithelium occurs in which of these? A. Trachea, B. Stomach, C. Small intestine, D. Fallopian tube. 42. Descending limb of loop of Henle is made up of which type of epithelium? A. Cuboidal, B. Columnar, C. Squamous, D. Glandular. 43. Visceral pleura is originated from A. Ectoderm, B. Endoderm, C. Ectomesoderm, D. Mesoderm. 44. Glands of vertebrates are originated from A. Ectodermal, B. Endodermal, C. Mesodermal, D. All the above. 45. Tessellated epithelium is present in A. Upper trachea, B. Crypt of Lieberkuhn, C. Gastric pits, D. Alveoli of lungs. 46. Which of these cell junctions have high content of keratin? A. Interdigitations, B. Gap junctions, C. Demosomes, D. All of these. 47. Which of these pair of structures have same type of epithelium? A. Thick descending limb and thin descending limbs of loop of Henle, B. Proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, C. Buccal cavity and epidermis of skin, D. Alveoli of lungs and endothelium of blood capillary. 48. Which of these structures have stratified columnar epithelium? A. Larynx, B. Epiglottis, C. Distal part of male urethra, D. All of the above. 49. Which of these structures have stereociliated columnar epithelium? A. Crista and macula of ear, B. Epididymis, C. Vas deferens, D. All of the above. 50. Ependymal cells are A. Ciliated pseudostratified columnar, B. Brush-bordered columnar, C. Ciliated cuboidal, D. Non-ciliated columnar. Dear students, if you genuinely feel that we are adding some value to your learning, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button for the individual videos. That will encourage us to bring many invaluable contents in future. So, here are the answers. 1, B, 2, B, 3, A4, B5, A6, C7, C8, D9, A10, B11, D12, D13, A14, B15, C16, D17, C18, C19, A20, C21, C22, D23, C24, C25, A26, A27, C28, B29, C30. Actually, here we cannot go for just a single option, as both parotid and submandibular glands are compound tubulo-alveolar. 31, B, 32, A33, D34, A35, A36, A37, D38, A39, B40, D41, C42, C43, D44, D45, D46, C47, D48, D49, D50, C. Thank you. See you soon in another video.